Hello, everyone. For those of you who are not here, today, we're going to be going over the division properties of exponents. We came up with this rule, subtracting or canceling, as some people call it. We're going to take the larger of the two bases. So for this case, x to the 14, x to the 5th. Whichever one's larger gets the remaining exponents when you subtract them. So we did an example here. We have another example where the larger one is the bottom. So the simplified answer, the question is going to say a squared over a to the 7th. Instead of writing all this good junk, this good stuff, we're just going to write 1 over a to the 5th. So I can't show you this example because my head is actually in the way. If you see like right over here, that's an example. So we're going to move over to this page. The example was a to the 3rd over a to the 9th. The remainder was a to the 6th. It goes in the bottom. At this point, I'm going to turn the question over to one of our resident experts.
You take these and you subtract them, and then you do the thing where it goes in.
Great.
What's popping?
We're turning it over.
Yeah.
The C's. Try the C's.
Subtract and you get 10.
So we have 11 and a 1.
Yes.
How come they're not on the bottom? Why are they on the top?
11's bigger than 1.
Due to popular demand, everyone wants to talk about why the D to the 10th is here. Well, why is the D to the 10th on the bottom, class?
Because there's no other D.
So no subtraction, no adding, no multiplying. So that is your lesson on when to subtract exponents.